Hey YouTube, drdecks here. Here is your weekly update. Last one before Studio Man's back in action, so we'll actually get back to our normal videos. So this week we focused on, we had to replace 3 of the posts on the middle section of the deck, which actually took us almost 2 full days to do. It was very methodical, very time consuming. The previous builder bought 10 footers, but it was 10 foot 4.5 to get to the beam. So they just stacked 3 2x6s in each section and said, okay, that's cool. We're good with that. Well, we weren't good with that. So we ended up putting up some heavy duty brackets up against the house over here. We got rid of these 2 posts because now we're hanging on the structure of the house. Then we repurposed those posts. So one of those is over here and I think one of them is right here. And then we have one more to replace up here still, so that's gonna go in. It took us a minute to get those installed, and then we put some ML24Z, Simpson Strong Tie ML24Z with their SDS screws to lock all that stuff together. Then we were able to finally finish cleaning up this side of the house. We got our ledger on. Because I know we don't need 2x12 joists here, but because of the large cantilever in the middle, and because the old deck had a slope, a taper, because it was a tile deck and it had natural drainage, we decided that we'd go ahead and use 2x12s to make up 2 inches of the thickness. And then we had to still add a 3/4 inch shim to the top of the beam, right? Okay, so then we got these joists around, we got them all hung, we got our corner pieces in, and then we were able to pressure block over the beam. And then we got our outside rim joist on as well, and that's all screwed in, and that's a piece of 5/4 by 12 AZEK. Then we still, on next week, we will put in all of our surface border blocking, our curved surface border blocking will all go in here. And then we have to put in our blocking for our Regal Ideas railing as well. So that'll go in as well. So that's what we got done this week. If you like this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you. Leave a comment below and I'll try to answer it in a timely fashion, guys. Have a good one.